Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Wikimedia, and today I'm going to take a look at the new social media avatar mockup that I've redone for 2015. And we've added some new social media website, and we've updated all the layouts of the other social media websites. So it's more like the current websites. You get this one single PSD file, which looks like this. We've got some logos on the top, then we've got various social media pages with the app version for some of them. So you can see here's the small app version of the same Google Plus page. You can see here is LinkedIn as well. So there's a whole bunch of these different social media websites. And the thing is that they use one single smart object, which is going to reflect in all the logos. And it uses one smart object, which is going to reflect to all the background images, which are all these header images. So it's quite simple to work with, and you just need to update these two. You've got one folder which is called all content, and there you can see we've got the top logos in a folder. Then we've got the iPhones, which are the phones here on the right. We've got the website labels, which are the names, which are underneath all of the pages. And then we've got the websites themselves, and you can see we've got them nice structured. So this is Facebook, and if you open it up, you can see you got the avatar, all the different logos, etc. So if you want to tweak something, you could change it up. We just need to edit this logo file or the background file in order to change the logos and all the different background images. So if I double click on the logo file, it's going to open up this file right here. And let me just quickly add a hue and saturation layer so we can update this single one. Let's colorize it, make it a little bit reddish. And the moment that we save it, you're going to see that it's going to say updating all of the smart objects, and that's what it's doing right now. And that's going to reflect on all the different layers that are using this actual logo file. So the moment that we now get back into this PSD file, you can see that all of the instances of the logo are now changed to this red different type of logo. So what we could also do is just remove this hue and saturation layer. I'm deleting it. Change the background color. So the moment that I save it, it's going to again update the smart objects. And once I get back into the template, you'll see that all of the instances are updated. So the same goes for all these header images. So if we click on edit this background smart object, we can add in a different picture. So let's take this picture right here, drag it in. So now if I save this background image, it's going to update all the smart objects in the Photoshop document that are actually using this background. So when we get back, you'll see it will reflect on all of the different header images. The cool thing about the template is that it's constantly rendering out all the different images that we have inside this template. So if you go back into the folder where this PSD file is located, you can see Photoshop automatically added this assets folder. And if we double click, we've got all the whole pages, which are just JPEGs. And that's just a render of each of the different pages, which you could maybe show to your client. Then we've got all the different logo sizes. So here we've got 16 pixels all the way up to 500 pixel logos. And these could be helpful just to upload them right away to the different social media websites. And then we've got the actual header images that we can use. So this one is for Google Plus. And then we've got the YouTube background one, which I guess it's still rendering out. It's still using the old background. Probably in a second this will reflect and be the new background. There you go. You could see it updated on the fly. And you can see all of these for Twitter and Facebook. They're all using the appropriate sizes. And if for whatever reason yours doesn't do it, you can go to File and go to Generate Image Assets. You can see it's already turned on in my document right here. So then it's constantly updating all the images that are being generated. So this is a pretty cool, helpful tool. I hope this is going to be a great additional tool for when you're creating logos or doing stuff for your clients. Hope you're going to land new jobs and be able to use this cool template. And thank you guys for watching. Peace!